This is a love reading for you, Libra, for January to February. In this reading, I'm going to take out cards to see how's the guidance for you and your love interest. This could be your partner, it could be your boyfriend or girlfriend, maybe somebody you have a crush on, maybe it is your ex. So, this is a general reading, so everything will not resonate with all Libra as it is, and whatever may will vary in the intensity. You also want to download is my January newsletter. I've given the link in the description box. I've given the link to my other readings as well. You can click on the link, see the reading details, and then book the reading that you like. So let us see, Libra, how's the guidance for you. So, who are you in the relationship? Who is your partner in the relationship? What is the strength and challenges you both bring? How do you both see each other? What is the hope and fear the two of you have about the future together? What is the past you both are coming from? And how's overall the love reading looking? So, first of all, you're very practical, Libra, about a lot of things. You're not somebody who's looking for a loving fool. You are someone who wants somebody very practical, or who's very street smart, or has, who understands people in a different ways. So you are not somebody who's necessarily looking for, or you are with a partner who's, very simple in their dealings. You are quite a player, and you like people who are very smart and can move across a lot of street smartness, social polish, all of that. So, this is a guidance of two people who are not necessarily connecting on simple things in life. So, it's quite possible the two of you have been through a lot of negotiations, dealings with people, and you have your street smart ways. Now, who is your partner? Your partner is someone who seems to be settled or from a different culture, has seems to have come to your community from a different culture. So I'm seeing that your partner is one, comes from a very well to do stable background, but is right now dealing with lot of things, and one of those things is money. So there is a certain expenses that need to be dealt with. It's quite possible, Libra, your partner has a very huge college or tuition fee to pay. So I'm seeing that there is a lot of expenses that your partner has to pay, and your partner is very young. So it looks like it cannot be a school fees. So it's just looking like some college fee or some kind of a course that your partner seems to be doing, and it's very, very expensive. Also, it's possible some of you both connect to each other also because you see the world completely in a different way, or you have your own weirdness of dealing with world, and the two of you just complement each other. Now, what is the strength and challenges you bring, and what is the strength and challenges your partner brings? So, not at all simple sorted people here. I'm seeing very crafty, sharp, witty, and players here. You two are not at all those simplistic, too simple people. No, you both have a certain game going. You both have a certain understanding about the world in a certain way, as I said. So when I look at your card here, you are a confidant, Libra, to people, but you are also someone who's capable of spreading lies and rumors. So, you cannot be played down. You always like to have a upper side, or you like to have your game going all the time. So, you are someone who can also start a rumor at will. You know how to play people, and you know how to always show up on the winning side. Your partner is equally emotionally quite smart or cunning. I am just seeing here is two very street smart people, and your partner can play very emotional, can play very needy, very family, very warm when the need is so, and then he or she can just instantly turn cold when things are not working out, or he or she wants to cut away. So you both have a certain thing going on and seem to be connecting on entirely a very different wavelength altogether. So it's also possible that your partner doesn't have much family. So not just that he or she is like this by nature, but he or she may have dealt with being homeless or being without much family or parents or siblings really. So he or she quickly turns cold when things don't work out in their way. How do you see your partner and how does your partner see you? So you see your partner as someone who needs lot of cajoling, lot of convincing, lot of telling that accept me, I'm in love, I like you. So you need to do lot of talking and telling so that your partner can see the love about you or see the truth about you. As a partner, you see Libra as someone who's not looking for anything serious, and that the two of you may just be into something very casual, or it is just a fling. You both are just maybe met at work or maybe met in college, and then you both are just dating or being with together. So you see Libra is not someone you are planning any long term with, or definitely not someone you see a future with. So, right now, the energies are like this also because you may have just met and you both have, very peripheral personalities at play here. So, nothing serious that I'm seeing, nothing serious about love and commitment, investment, not really. It's just two people who maybe just, are together and just, getting to know each other really. What is the hope and fear the two of you have about the future? About the future, Libra, you're very clear that if anything about love has to work out, it has to come through your family, or it should also be coming as a nod from your family. You're not someone who will just go ahead and marry someone you love, or you will go ahead and just be with someone you love. It's just telling me your family's approval or not is equally important to you. Also, some of you are open to meet someone new while you are with this partner. So you are not really committed in this relationship. So about the future right now, you're just keeping everything as a very open option, that whatever works out is what you're going with. So if things are working out here, or if this fling gets serious, then you're open for it. If you will also like to get introduced to someone through your family, so that's how your energy is about the future. Your partner somehow is very convinced that the future is not with you, or the two of you are not really together at present, or it's a no for whatever reason. So I don't know what's really going on here. Maybe it is a relationship with an ex. You met an ex, and then you had some time together, and then you both don't see a future together. That's how I'm seeing the cards here. Now, what is the past you are coming from, and what is the past your partner is coming from? In the past, you've had a lot of heartbreaks. So as I was saying, it's looking like the two of you may have dated or met or been married before, and maybe it's just some time that you're spending together, because I'm seeing here is the energy of two ex who are together. So you've had a lot of heartbreak which is now healing, and your partner I'm seeing is through a divorce energy or energy of a breakup who's still reeling with it. So the two of you have had a very strong or a heartbreaking heartbreak, and you both are not out of the woods yet. More so, Libra, you are still somewhat recovering, but your partner is still with that energy. So breakup was very heavy for your partner. Now, how's overall the guidance for the love reading? Hmm, you both don't see the future together or being together. You both feel that the time spent together is just in the present, and there's nothing more promises to be made about the future now. So this is just how it is. It's also possible some of you it's just a whirlwind romance. You just met and then romance happened, and then the two of you just go your way. So I'm not seeing any promise here. I'm not seeing anything deep or any strong emotions coming out here. So this is a general reading, as you know, so it will not resonate with all Libra. So this is how the reading is, Libra, for you and your partner for Jan to Feb.